A very good morning, class 12th. So, welcome to your class. In today's class, we are going to discuss the MCQs of the chapter The Rat Trap, written by Selma Lagerlöf from the book Flamingo. Although we have discussed short answer questions and long answer questions, but now it's a time to discuss the one marker, which is very, very important. Because if you are marking or picking up the wrong option, directly you are losing the 1 mark. So it's advisable, as from the very first day of your class, I have focused and I have made you very clear to read this chapter thoroughly so that you should have all the details minutely with you. And obviously, yes, and now we are having a new pattern of paper. So you need to be very, very clear what would be the correct option so that you can easily score the marks. Right. So in this video, we are going to cover up like what kind of questions are there, what kind of the things you need to remember while doing it. The very first important thing is the name of the author. And then about the author too, as we have discussed it. So here also you need to know about Selma Lagerlöf, from which country she belonged to, where the story has been set up, and why the Sweden mines were famous, or I would say are famous for it. Then another important thing for you to understand is that in what style this story has been narrated to us. Remember, we have even discussed in our live classes too that the story is in a fairy tale style, because the story started with once upon a time. So that is very important for you. And yeah, it is fictitious. Then the few other things which you need to remember is the message or the theme of the story. That what this story basically gives the message to us. Who are the central characters? Or I would say for this chapter, who is the central character? Who is the protagonist here? What kind of a life he used to live? How he used to have the basic necessities, because he belonged to a very, very poor one. He was a tramp. What kind of thoughts he had, because he only mentioned the world is a rat trap. So what kind of thoughts he had in his mind? And when he wanted to rest somewhere in the forest only, where he had taken a shelter, there was a cottage, as it was a cottage of Crofter, so you should remember. So who offered him the shelter there? Then another important thing is that what made this peddler to change his way? As he got tempted while staying at Crofter's place with those 30 kronos. He did a mistake. He had stolen the money. But later on, what made him to change his ways? How he came to the positive side of the life? Then what does this metaphor basically signify to us? We need to understand this. So what earns the sympathy of the reader towards the end for the peddler? Because he changed his way, right? Edla Wilmanson, she gave him that sympathy, that affection, which made him finally change his way. So what lightens the seriousness of this lesson we need to understand. Then we need to understand here that why was the crofter, he was so talkative and friendly with him, why he had shown the good hospitality towards the peddler, because he was totally stranger for him. Then you need to describe about the doubt, which the Edla had for the peddler when she had seen him for the first time, and how the peddler was influenced by the meeting of Crofter and Edla, was they both had shown the confidence in him. When Iron Master invited him at his place, why did Peddler not reveal his identity? Because he had a fear, or he wanted to have the more money, or he did not want to hurt them. So you need to read the things. Why did the peddler feel that he had fallen into the rat trap? Because he had already stolen the money, and because of his greed, he was into that petty condition. Why did peddler used to resort to begging and thievery? Because he used to make the rat traps. why he had stolen the money, who used to make the rat traps, from where did he used to have those things. Why did Peddler sign himself as Captain Von Stale? Because he was not the captain, but still he signed himself like that. Why did Iron Master realize his mistake? Or when did he realize his mistake? That you need to understand. What was the name of that iron mill? How did the crofter was tempted towards the money? Why did the peddler decline his invitation? You need to understand everything. But later on, he accepted the invitation of Edla. And why did Edla plead her father not to send the vagabond away? Because of his father, because of his father's friend, because of his resemblance, because of sympathy. So you need to understand all these things. For that, you need to read it. Although we have discussed it various times, but still read it, mark it, and ask the doubts if you're having. So solve all these MCQs, send me the worksheet timely. It would not take much of your time if you have read the chapter thoroughly. So I really hope it's clear to you now what kind of questions can be there. So be ready for it. Thank you and God bless you all. But yes, send the worksheet timely to me before 9 a.m. God bless you all.